Friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Living. Let's fly with success. Today is 14th September 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Misra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. Those who first visit Educational Living, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, let's proceed towards today's session. This was our previous question. Our first question was, who is appointed as member of World Health Organization Independent Panel? N. Yadav, R.C. Sharma, Preeti Sudan, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option C, Preeti Sudan. Recently, Preeti Sudan is appointed, the former health secretary is appointed to the WHO's independent panel for the pandemic preparedness and response. Okay. It is a 11-member panel and Preeti Sudan from India represented in this independent panel, selected in this independent panel. Okay. Our second question was, who has launched central bank digital currency testing platform? Mastercard, RuPay, Visa, Paytm. The correct answer here is option A, Mastercard. Recently, the Mastercard has launched central bank digital currency testing platform, and the CEO of Mastercard is Ajay Banga. Ajay Banga is the CEO here, and New York, US is the headquarter of Mastercard. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when Himalayan Day is celebrated every year? 9 September, 10 September, 11 September, 13 September. The correct answer here is 9 September. On 9 September, Himalayan Day is celebrated every year. Okay, you know the Himalayas plays an important role to save and sustain nature and to protect the country from the adverse condition. Okay, then what is the theme of the 2020? Himalayas and nature. Theme of 2020 is Himalayas and nature is the theme of 2020. Okay, next question. Question number 2. Air ambulance system is started in which state? Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Maharashtra. The correct answer here is option A, Karnataka. Recently in Karnataka, air ambulance system started. Okay, and you can see the image of the air ambulance here. Recently, the air ambulance system is started in Karnataka. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. According to WWF Living Planet Report 2020, how many percent decreases of animal observed in last 46 years? 40%, 50%, 68%, 70%. The correct answer here is option C, 68%. The World Wildlife Fund, WWF, the abbreviation of the WWF is World Wildlife Fund. The World Wildlife Fund Living Planet Report 2020 has been published. It shows an average 68% decline in animal population size tracked over in 46 years. It is tracked over in 46 years. Okay, and the headquarters of the WWF is situated in Switzerland. Headquarters is situated in Switzerland. You can see the official logo of the WWF here, a panda here. Okay. Next question. Who has developed a first of its kind self-check kiosks to detect and prevent COVID-19? IIT Kanpur, IIT Guwahati, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Bombay. The correct answer here is option B, IIT Guwahati. Recently, a first of its kind self-check kiosks to detect and prevent novel coronavirus disease or the COVID-19 has been developed by a team of scientists from IIT Guwahati. A team of scientists of IIT Guwahati recently developed the self-check kiosks to detect and prevent COVID-19. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Question number 5. Who participated in the 17th SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization cultural meeting from India? Prahlad Singh Patel, Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, option D, Narendra Singh Tomar. As per you see the image of Prahlad Singh Patel here, the correct answer here is option A, Prahlad Singh Patel. Okay, Prahlad Singh Patel, Union Minister of State for Culture and Tourism, participated in the 17th Shanghai Cooperation Organization cultural meeting. Okay, the SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization headquarters is situated in Beijing. Remember that the Beijing and Shanghai both are in China, but Beijing is the headquarters of SCO. Don't be confused. Okay. Next question. Supernova LSQ 14 FMG was the faraway object discovered by 37 member. The team is led by whom? David Baltimore, Eric Hesio, Robert Mark. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is scientist or Professor Eric Hesio. The exploding star, which is known as Supernova LSQ 14 FMG, was the faraway object discovered by a 37 member international research team. It is international research team and it is led by Eric Hesio. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Question number 7. Which state signed an MOU with UiPath for training of youth? Uttarakhand, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Sikkim. The correct answer here is Andhra Pradesh. Option B is correct here. Andhra Pradesh is correct here. Recently, Andhra Pradesh government signed an MOU with UiPath for training of youth. Okay, UiPath. UiPath is a robotic automation process. Okay, it is a robotic automation system and for the training of the youth. Recently, Andhra Pradesh government signed an MOU. Okay, Andhra Pradesh is in news. You can know, as per you know, the 3 capital system is in Andhra Pradesh. Legislative capital is Amravati, executive capital is Visakhapatnam, and legislative capital is the judicial capital is Kurnool. Judicial capital is Kurnool. 3 capital system in Andhra Pradesh, and Chief Minister is Jagan Mohan Reddy, and Biswabhushan Harichandan. Biswabhushan Harichandan is the governor of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Question number 8. Which country hosted the 73rd Regional Committee Meet of World Health Organization Southeast Asia region? Laos, Vietnam, Indonesia, Thailand. The correct answer here is Thailand. Option D is correct here. Recently, in Thailand, the 73rd session of the WHO Regional Committee for Southeast Asia hosted virtually. In Thailand, it is hosted virtually. Okay. World Health Organization. The headquarters of the World Health Organization is situated in Geneva, Switzerland. In Geneva, Switzerland, headquarters is situated. Okay. Next question. Pragati and Saksham scholarship scheme is associated with which state or union territories? Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh. Option D, Jharkhand. The correct answer here is Jammu and Kashmir. Option B is correct here. In Pragati and Saksham scheme, the central government provides the scholarship to the girls and the specially able child from the Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, the Pragati scheme is for the girls and the Saksham scheme is for the specially able children. Okay, Jammu Kashmir is in news. Who is the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir? Manoj Sinha. Remember the name. Manoj Sinha is the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir. For the first Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir is Girish Chandra Murmu, GC Murmu, Girish Chandra Murmu, and recently Girish Chandra Murmu is the CAG, Comptroller and Auditor General of India, the CAG of India. Okay. Last question of the today's session is, Jane Fraser has been appointed as first female Chief Executive Officer of which bank? First CEO of which bank? Citibank, PNB, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. The correct answer here is option A, Citibank. And Citibank is an international bank. Okay, Jane Fraser has been appointed as the first female CEO of Citibank. She will succeed Michael Corbat. She will succeed Michael Corbat. And Citibank is founded in 1812. It is founded in 1812 in New York. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. As per you know, this is our question of the day. You have to answer it in the comment section and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Our first question is, when World Fasted Day is observed? Our second question is, what is the rank of India in Global Economic Freedom Index 2020? Okay, please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. Okay, if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help. Okay, thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Those who first visit educational wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.